Hello and welcome students to the section 3 Network Pen Testing Network Scanning Techniques. In this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we are going to learn about how you can scan the IP addresses in your network. Then we will learn about how you can perform port scanning using Nmap scanner in Kali Linux. Then we will install Nessus network vulnerability scanner, and then finally how we can scan vulnerabilities using Nessus, that we will cover in the final video. So let's start with the first video of section 3, IP scanners in network. In this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, what is the meaning of IP scanner and what is the process of IP scanner that we are going to learn in this video. So what is IP scanning? So IP scanning means scan all hosts and machines in the network, right? For example, this is a network, right? And these all are the machines are connected with this network. For example, there are 6 machines available in the network, right? What IP scanner can do? IP scan, for example, if you are here, right? You want to get information about these rest 5 machines. So IP scanner can provide you information about that 5 machine. It can provide you the IP address, it can provide you the MAC address, right? And some other information like vendor information, so that it can provide you. So this is the first step in vulnerability scanning, that first of all you need to check what are the live machines in the network. So to check all the live machines in the network, you can use the IP scanners inside Kali Linux operating system, and they are pre-installed. List all the IP address, absolutely correct. They list all the IP address right here and will provide you information inside this table. So I will show you that how you can perform IP scanning inside Kali Linux operating system. So start your Kali Linux operating system and I will show you which tool you can use. So guys, I'm here at Kali Linux operating system, and Kali Linux operating system has its pre-installed applications that you can use. You don't need to download or install any other new application. Most of them are already installed and you can use them. For example, IP scanner. So let me show you that which IP scanner you can use inside Kali Linux operating system. It's quite easy. Click on applications, select information gathering, and there is an IP scanner available which is NetDiscover. So this is the tool which we can use as an IP scanner. Click here and open it. So let me zoom it for you. Yeah, so here you can see that this is NetDiscover, and these all are the different kind of filters are available that you can use. Simple, you can use NetDiscover space any one of them, and then space what the IP address of the target machine. So for example, if I want to get information about my network, that how many machines are connected inside my network, how many systems or mobile phones are connected inside my network, so I can get information using NetDiscover. How? Let me show you. So first of all, let me check my IP address. So click new window and you can type ifconfig and hit enter. So this is ifconfig. This is the IP address of my machine, 192.168.0.7. Great. Okay. I want to get information about my machine network, that how many other machines are connected inside my network. So to get it, I can try the second option, -R, because it is for range, and I can basically provide it my network range so that it can get information about the complete machines available inside my system. So this is the kind of system, right? And inside the system, I'm just a part of it. Now I need to find out how many other machines are available inside it. So I'm going to use the -R option. So you can type here, quite simple. You can type here NetDiscover space -R small r, and then you can provide your IP address range. So my IP address is 192.168.0.0/24, right? My IP address is .7, but you can start with .0/24 and hit enter and just wait here. So you can see here that still it is showing me only 2 machines available here. So you can see here 2 machines are only available inside my first machine is basically my Kali Linux, but it is not showing you the machine which you are working on. So that's fine, because I know my system details, so .7 is not available here, which is my Kali Linux. Other than, you can find .2. .2 is basically my main operating system, Windows operating system, and you can see Intel is written inside Mac vendor. So this is my Windows 10 main operating system. And what is this? This is your router, D-Link, because I am using my home router, which is working on D-Link. So you can see here it is showing me information about my router. So this is my router IP address, and this is my vendor D-Link, and this is my main operating system of Windows operating system. Okay, so this is all about the IP scanning process, that how you can scan the IP addresses available in your network. If there are 15 machines or 100 machines, doesn't matter, it will list all the machine information right here with the MAC address, and that you can use inside your vulnerability scanning and penetration testing process. So you can use NetDiscover to perform IP scanning inside your network. So this is all about IP scanning process in your network, and in the next video we are going to learn about port scanning in network using Nmap tool in Kali Linux. Thank you.